All right, May 1st, May Day, hey, 2025. I'm going to make this, I'm going to be writing names in here in this allegorical sea monster. We've got Trump underway, Trump. I'm going to have Qaddafi here in English, maybe in Arabic also, we'll see. So let's get the R here. U's kind of small, but that's okay. M. A little crowded, but that's okay. And P. Okay. Budgies, how are we doing over there? Can we get some singing? Thank you. Qaddafi, Trump. Trump likes Qaddafi. Why not? All right, Trump, Likes, Qaddafi. Maybe we should add a blech. Blechi sea monster. Okay, we'll do a period. Ornamentation here around the letters. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Good work, darling, good work. Getting kind of crowded. How about a blech or a yuch? Blechi dictators. Well, that's enough for now.